Today we're going to show you the new hot plate stir setup used in the organic labs. This is the new United Scientific hot plate stir. This is the flask carrier. It should be placed onto the hot plate just as so. This is the insert that will be used to hold the round bottom flask. This is the thermometer that will be used to measure the temperature inside the flask carrier. It will be inserted into this hole here as so. This entire setup should never be broken down. It should always be just as so. So to turn on the heat and the speed, we're going to use these dials. This one controls the temperature. Right, we're going to set it to, let's say, 45 degrees Celsius. This will control the stirring speed. Let's just set that to 250 RPM right now. To turn it on, you will not use these buttons. These are not buttons. To turn it on, you will push either dial. You can see the speed increasing up to 250 RPM, and you can see the heat starting to increase. Now, if you wanted to adjust the heat or the speed, you cannot do it while it is on. You have to turn off the speed and the heat, wait until the speed reaches 0, and then you can adjust the heat or the speed. We're going to decrease this down to 40 Celsius and increase this to 300 RPM. And then turn it back on. Now, if you wish to have no heat but to stir your solution, you just set the temperature to blank and then turn on the stirring. If you wish to have no stirring but heat only, you should set this to blank RPM and just set the temperature to whatever you wish. Set that to 40 Celsius and then turn the heat on. You can see it's already at or above 40 Celsius, so it's no longer heating up. I'm going to turn that off, and I'm going to show you how the round bottom flask will lay inside the insert. Turn, and it's spinning. And as you can see, I'm turning the dial, but the speed is not changing on the monitor or the speed of stir bar. I have to push the button to turn it off. You can see it's slowly slowing down.